Hello everyone, so I'm just going to do a quick clean of this not too dirty Honda Jazz. It's got some marks around here, it's got some muck on the doors, and then if we look at the interior, it's a little bit mucky on the old carpets. Seats aren't too bad, mind, but I'll still give them a good once over. So you see there's some dirt there because the dirtiest bit is here in the boot. Look at that. It should clean up. Let's see. Let's have a look on the other side. Seats are a bit mucky on the rear there. And you've got the usual grime around the seals. And a few cobwebs. Usual dirt from daily use. So, and again, some muck around here. Some muck here. So let's see how she turns out. This shouldn't be too hard. See you soon. So after over 3 hours, nearly 3.5 hours, is the results. Hope you like them. Here we go. Looks round. Overseas stone chips, commensurate with age. This car has done 156,000 miles. And look at it. It's come out absolutely lovely. Remember all the marks there? All gone. It's nice and shiny. Now, let's look inside. Check out the interior. It's like new. Seats have been shampooed, have come out lovely. Then here's the rear. Again, come out nice. Car looks like brand new and smells fresh. And the boot. Oh, I should mention, you would have noticed the weather difference. Basically, it took so long doing 2 cars in one day that I had to finish off this. It got too dark to video, so I'm doing it now. So, there you go. Hope you enjoy. And look, nice pan roof on this particular model. Thanks for watching.